Can I make this fish pond swim ready in 7 days? Let's find out. Well, that's where the pump and the filter supposedly is. Nice. According to the new owner, this swimming pool has been closed for 2 or 3 seasons, and no chemicals, no filtration. Customer asked me to install new pump, new filter, new valves in his filtration area. But where is his filtration area? Hello, Moto. When people are referring to a sweat and blood of their work, that's what they're talking about right here. Sweat and blood mixed with berry juice on my t-shirt. I really don't think that this is any longer a swimming pool channel. Honestly, I think it's a gardening channel, if you haven't noticed yet. I think, yeah, gardening channel sounds better anyway. Who wants to watch pool work? Seriously. I wouldn't. And just like that, I made it inside. Old filter that needs to be removed, chopped up and removed with probably 300 pounds of sand. A lot of this plumbing needs to go. It's total trash. I'm gonna remove it, cut it. I need to remove this old filter tank. It's heavy, obviously. So let me show you how to get this filter tank out of here, okay? Okay, voila. This valve is obviously no-go. I need to cut this plumbing out. All of this trashy old push-pull valve. There was a booster pump in here for Polaris, we are now going to install one. So some of those things needs to be trashed. The battery didn't feel that, did it? What a mess. And this mess. All right, fresh battery. Let's see. This gotta go bye-bye. This, what is this? If you don't know what it is, just cut it out. That's the way I do business. This got to go. I don't like it. It's trashy. Here is our base for the new scent filter. Somewhere right here. The poo pump that I'm going to install today, it's straight from Amazon. 1.5 horsepower. You can either go 115 or up to 230 volts. Okay. And yes, the filter base right there has an area for a pump, but it's too close and too tight and I don't like it. So my pump will go separately on this cinder block. All right. So this is a conscious decision. Okay. Goody goodies. That would work. So I will install a piece of pipe, and that's the level where I need to bring all my plumbing up to. The valve is going to go right here. Okay. Something like that. That's how you do it. And here it is. Pump is installed. Waterway sand filter, 250 pounds of sand. Good enough for our roughly 20,000 gallon swimming pool. Remember to put this in. Okay. It's best when all of your sand actually goes inside of the filter, not outside of the filter. Common sense, right? Okay, remove that. Now I need to clean all the sand from here so there's no sand at all, to make a nice clean connection with a multi-port valve. So let's do it. Pretty much nice and clean. Our multi-port valve, it always has an O-ring over here. 0. Gotta lubricate. Now there's a pump going back to the pool and a waste or backwash. So the way you install this, just make sure you know where to put the outlets, because my waste or backwash, the line is right here, so that's perfect. And my pool pump is obviously here, so that is perfect as well. Just make sure whatever you twist this around. Make sure it goes the way you want it to go, okay? Each filter always comes with pressure gauge. This one already has Teflon tape on it. It goes right here. And here is the very last pipe. I saved you all the drama by not showing you how I glue all the other nonsense pipes, which is boring. All right, let's see. 2 pipes at the same time. Can he do it? He did it. He did it. I know you could have done much cleaner, much quicker, and much more straight. I know that. But this was my time to shine, and this is what I did. Anytime you install a new pump, you need to prime it first. What means prime? You need to fill the pump with water, whether you have a garden hose or you pump with a full bucket worth of water. That's what you got to do. So let's prime the pump. Pool is vacuumed to waste. Just added baking soda. Chlorine, aka shock, goes in next. And brushing right after that. So this was day 1. I believe you can tell the difference. I'll be back here maybe in 4 or 5 days to finish it up. Pump running, filter running, new plumbing, new valve, pool, blue-ish, not blackish anymore. And I will see you next week. And here it is, 4 days later. Still a little bit cloudy, but that's okay. I'm going to backwash the filter, vacuum, brush again, test water, add more chemicals if necessary, and probably 2-3 days from now it's going to be perfect. The pressure is higher because the filter is dirty. So first things first, I'm going to clean this basket. I'm going to clean skimmer basket, and then I can backwash. Let's turn off the pump first. Not terribly dirty. Skimmer is clean, that's good. Ready for backwash. And to backwash sand filter, right now as you can tell it's in a filter position. With the pump being off, you press on the handle and you go 180 degrees to the backwash position. Yes, yes, yes. I know this type of a vacuum head is for concrete pools, but I know what I'm doing. I don't want that brushy, cheapo liner vacuum head to get stuck to the floor, so that's what I'm using. It works fine, trust me. Every time I take care of the swimming pool, I need to measure chemicals. If it wasn't done perfectly, it wasn't me. Viking Aquatics. Welcome to my world.